Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department. Today I'm going to be going over how to operate your jackknife sofa. So these are pretty simple to use. Just make sure you remove your rests here first. So what you do is you lift from under the bottom here. You'll feel a little metal beam. Lift up on it and pull straight out. So at this point, this is your bed. This particular model does not have it, but some of them do have a kickstand on the bottom that will extend to prevent this from bowing. To get it to close, lift right back up. It helps to lift over here, pull back, put it right back in place. After so, we'll just put the rest back on. That's it. Real easy. If you have any questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.